Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming iOS is current and making a backup so you can recover if something goes wrong. Once done, go to Settings, then Battery Health to see maximum capacity and whether peak performance management is active. You want to know the percentage and any service notices. These guide whether recalibration, settings changes, or a battery replacement is needed. Make sure low power mode is off before running tests so readings reflect normal behavior. Now calibrate the battery by fully charging to 100%, then using the phone until it shuts off and charging uninterrupted back to full. Repeat once to improve the battery percentage accuracy. While monitoring, reduce drain by disabling background app refresh, lowering brightness by about 30 to 50%, and limiting location services and push mail. These changes reduce unnecessary cycles and heat, which helps battery longevity, and they let you observe whether capacity stabilizes after calibration and settings optimization. Finish by returning to Settings Battery Health after about 48 hours of normal use to see updated capacity readings. If maximum capacity remains below roughly 80% or you see a service recommendation, arrange a genuine battery replacement through Apple or an authorized provider, because calibration won't fix chemical wear. If performance issues continue despite a good percentage, reset all settings or collect the device serial and contact Apple support. This rules out software faults or a failing charging circuit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.